Today I want to create this 3D model. This model is having the dimensions of different parts are given here. This is having 100 mm. Next, the height is 45 mm and this height is 20 mm, and the thickness of this block is 15. This block is 15 and the distance between these two blocks is 30 mm. All the dimensions are in terms of mm. Let us assume this is a front view, this is a top view, and this is a left view. So how to create this one in the CATIA V5, I'll tell you now. You go to the start menu, under mechanical design, go to the part design, you select the plane, any one of the plane that is left to you. I said this plane. You go to the sketch mode, now I need to create this, so I'll go for the line command. I'll draw a line. Next, to try to give the dimension for this. This is how much? 100 mm. Next, I'll try to give a dimension from this to this, exactly half of this 50 mm, so that this line will come exactly in the origin. Now again you draw a line, I'll go for a profile continuous view. I'll join this. Then press the escape button to come out of the sketch. Next, you try to give all these dimensions properly. The height is how much? This is 45. Next one is from here to here, it is 20 mm. Next, the distance between this is how much? 30. Next, this distance is 15, and this dimension is 15 mm. Now the dimension between this point and this point is how much? 20 mm. So how to give this one? Again you go for the constraint, you select this and this point, so it is coming like this. So in order to change this, So what I have to do, I need to have the horizontal dimension. So you right click the mouse button, you go for horizontal measure direction, so it will come in the horizontal fashion. So it is how much? 20 mm. Similarly, you use the dimension for this edge also. It is how much? From here to here it is 20 mm. From here to here it is also 20 mm because it is a symmetry. This and this line, it is becoming a over constraint because by itself, since it is a symmetry, by itself it is taking, it is how much? 20 mm. You can see in the dimension part, if I try to dimension this is how much now? You can check it properly. Horizontal version, it is how much? 20 mm. So don't give this dimension because it is already 20 mm, and if I try to give the dimension of 20 mm here, it will become over constraint here. This is becoming over constraint. So you remove this. Now this sketch has been constrained fully because it has turned into green color. Now I need to extrude this part to what thickness? 40 mm here. See here, see the dimension here. It is 40 mm. I need to extrude. So what I do? I need to exit from the exit workbench. Now add command. You give the dimension of how much? 40 mm. You need to select this. So preview this. This is how much? 40 mm. You can change the direction of this, that is left view, or you can change the direction of the extrude in this direction. Or if you want to take it from the mid plane is this plane, okay. So from the mid plane it will be how much? 20 mm this side, 20 mm this side. That also can be done from this command, mirror command. Next, how much it is? Total is 20. So if you try to edit this also, you can edit. So here I'll uncheck this. So totally I'll take it is 40 mm. So this is a 40 mm thickness. This is a very simple geometry. This is a front view, this is a left view, this is a top view. If you try to edit this sketch, for example, if you want to edit the sketch of this, you can go here in the tree, in the part, you go to the here in the pad sketch, go to the sketch, edit. So you can edit the sketch here also. For example, if you want to change this dimension, you can change the height also, that is left view. That is the application of the what? This tree. And this to try to edit the 3D model, you can click here, you can edit the 3D model. If you want to edit the sketch, you can go here, you right click the mouse button, go to the sketch and click over the edit. So finally we have created a 3D model of this dimension. In the next class, I'll try to increase the difficulty level of the part modeling. Thank you for watching.